In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a post on YouTube. We'll walk through this slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to remove any community post you no longer want visible on your channel. First, open your web browser and go to the YouTube website. Make sure you're signed into the account that owns the post you want to delete. If you manage multiple channels, double check that you're on the right one before you remove anything, because this action can't be undone. Once YouTube is open, look at the very top right corner of the page. You should see your profile picture or channel icon there. Click on that icon. This opens a small menu that gives you access to different parts of your account and channel. From this menu, look for the option that says View Your Channel. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you directly to your channel's main page, where viewers see your videos, playlists, and other content. On your channel page, you'll see several tabs such as Videos, Shorts, Live, and so on. Among these, look for the tab labeled Posts. This is where all of your community posts live, including text posts, images, polls, and shared content. Click on the Posts tab to open it. Now you should see a feed of your community posts listed vertically with the most recent ones at the top. Take a moment to scroll and find the specific post you want to delete. Be careful here, especially if some posts look similar. Once a post is deleted, it's removed from your channel and your subscribers' feeds, and you won't be able to bring it back. When you found the right post, look for a small icon with 3 vertical dots, usually located near the top right corner of that post. This icon is often called the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots. A small menu will pop up with a few choices related to that post. In this menu, you'll see an option that says Delete. Click on Delete. Depending on your device and region, YouTube may ask you to confirm that you really want to delete the post. If a confirmation message appears, read it carefully, then click to confirm. Once you do that, the post will disappear from your list. That's it. You've successfully deleted a post from your YouTube channel.